neighborhood or on your neighbor's home, this is what we call a radon mitigation system. This is the external part of the system. The rest of it is in the basement of the home. So this would be the fan right here. This is actually what's called a sub-slab suction system. So it pulls from under the foundation or the slab of the home, and then it just vents it with the fan up over the roof line. What's most important for these systems is that the venting is happening over the roof line of the home. If your levels are above 4, we do recommend either testing again or contacting a licensed or certified mitigator, and that list can be found on the Department of Health and Human Services website. You for sure want a certified contractor to come and take a look at your home and talking about installing a radon mitigation system. If you have any general questions about radon, you can feel free to call any of our staff here at Winnebago County Public Health Department at 920-232-3000.